Hello, I'm Jawdullah Sansad.
And I'm Pranto Goswami Pranto. We are Team Romulus from University of Dhaka. Our third member is Morshed Alam, who is unfortunately unable to make it here today.
Since our early university days, we've been trying to solve real-life problems from an engineering standpoint. In our journey, we pressed various issues like urban housing problem and women's safety on road and tried to solve this problem using modern technology. As a team, we've always felt that your idea is as good as your motive behind it. And we also believe that good ideas stem not only from creativity, but also from empathy and how closely you can understand the sufferings of people.
Thus, in this auspicious year of the birth of our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, we have decided to work on a problem that has long been one of the major obstacles in creating the Sonar Bangla hidden box: corruption. Let me ask you this. How many times have you read that a contractor got away from giving out low quality products to the government at an astronomical price? Irregularities in the government issued contracts has long been one of the pressing issues and one of the hot grounds for corruption in Bangladesh. Research says that the Bangladeshi government spends annually 20,000 crores on public procurement, but a lot of it gets wasted because the contractor can bribe their way around the system. The EGP system introduced by the government has solved some of these issues, but we still have to rely a lot on human supervision and human inspection to track the contractor throughout the process, which is not ideal.
To solve this, we need to figure out how a contractor completes his contract. Suppose a contractor named Mr. Rahim got a contract of delivering 50 air conditioners to a government office. In his contract, he was supposed to deliver the best quality product, but what he does, he buys cheap quality air conditioners and supplies them. To cover up his crime, he bribes his way through. Now, to catch him, we need to follow his money. We need to figure out exactly how much money he spent for this contract. To do this, the transactions are needed to be going through a banking system. So we can have a copy of the transaction information, and we will build this platform on blockchain based system. Now, blockchain will ensure that once the data is in, it is immutable and it can be changed without keeping a proof. Now, there are two parts of this solution. The first one is the central database, which will keep all the information together, and the second part is the web-based application, which is obviously blockchain based, and it will be used as a connecting medium between the banking system and our central database.
As a team, we have a solid 5-year plan. Our first step of the process is to build the whole database and integrate the feature of transaction verifier to it. This we will be trying to complete by October 2022. In the next step of the process, we will be trying to identify different aspects of the contractual process and build suitable web applications. For example, we will be trying to build one application that can keep shadow and infamous companies out of the contractual process, or another application that can help you automate contract drafting, which in turn will prevent leaking of confidential information.
Now, building different features like this in the same platform, we can ensure that the whole contractual process is secured and transparent. In the next 3 years, we are expecting to produce a compact solution that can be implemented into any system that needs integrity and transparency and safety. And in the next 5 years, we are determined to export our product in the foreign market as a reliable solution to the government contract system. Thank you.